Want to make money online? Read this. What do you want to do online to make money? Would you like to sell your wares? Do you have skills you could contract out online? Do you have a funny bone which needs to be shared through viral videos? Consider the tips below as you decide which niche to pursue. One great way to make money online is to use a site like Etsy or eBay to sell things you make yourself. If you have any talents, from sewing to knitting to carpentry, you can make a killing through online markets. People want items that are handmade, so join in. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. Have you tried flipping domain names? Many people make lots of money doing this. It'll take time to research and some investment, but in the end it's essentially like buying up internet real estate. See which keywords are currently trending by using Google AdSense or similar sites. Buy domain names that don't have acronyms. Look for domain names that have the potential to earn money for you. Enter contests and sweepstakes. By just entering one contest, your odds aren't great. Your odds are substantially better, however, when you enter multiple contests regularly. Taking a little time to enter a few free contests daily could really pay off in the future. Make a new email account just for this purpose. You don't want your inbox overflowing with spam. You know that there are online money-making opportunities that are legitimate, but you also need to know that there are many scams too. You need to check every company before you agree to get money from them. The BBB is great for checking out a company's reputation. If you have a blog or website ready to go, think about selling advertising space on it. You will earn money each time one of your visitors stops what they are doing and clicks on the ad. The best way to be successful and earn money with pay-per-click advertising is to have a good website that offers valuable information. This will increase your traffic flow as well as the number of clicks you are getting. Google AdSense is one program that can get you started. Now that you know so much about online money-making opportunities, you should be ready to pursue at least one avenue of income. If you can get started today, you'll be able to start making money in short order. Use these tips and get out into the marketplace right away. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.